I hope that you have downloaded the SQL Developer zip file. Just extract this file, open this directory, click on sqldeveloper.exe. You don't need to install this software. You can invoke this whenever you require. You can click on this plus symbol. Before that, you need to start up your database. Okay, you cannot start up your database from your SQL Developer directly. You have to use SQL plus command line to start up. Once you start up your database, give a particular name for your connection. Provide the username. Here I will say sys and give the password. Give the IP address and give the service name. If you want to alter the password, you can alter like this. Okay, now I have given the password to sys user, and you need the listener to be up and running. Okay, if you say lsnrctl status, all these services should be up and running, and you need to check the TNS connectivity like this. Okay, so if your listener is not started in your system, first I will stop it and I will show you how to start it. lsnrctl start will start the listener. Okay, and then if you say status, this will register the service. Okay, now you can test the connection. You can say alter system register. Now let me check the, yeah, once I register the service, I can able to connect to the, so it says that connection as sys should be as sysdba or sysoper. Okay, so in this case what I will be doing is, instead of using sys user, I will be using system. I will change the password for system. In reality, most of the application users will be using SQL Developer for their data retrieval. Okay, DBAs very rarely use SQL Developer, but sometimes SQL Developer may be very helpful for DBAs as well. Okay, now when I specify system user, I can connect to the database. So here you can say status successful. I can now connect. So once I click on connect, my service connectivity is open. Now I can directly execute any select queries or update queries or whatever statements that I can run.